Hello and welcome to QuickTale English. Today, we look at a famous couple who showed the world that true love can survive fame and time. David and Victoria Beckham. The first meeting. The year was 1997. David Beckham was a young and talented football player for Manchester United. He was becoming a star, but he was also a shy boy from London. Victoria Adams was even more famous. She was a member of the Spice Girls, the biggest girl group in the world. People called her Posh Spice. One day, David saw Victoria in a music video on TV. He turned to his friend and said, "That is the girl for me, and I am going to get her." It sounded like a dream, but David was serious. A few weeks later, Victoria went to a Manchester United football match. She didn't know much about football, but she saw David. While other players were drinking with their friends after the game, David was standing with his parents. Victoria liked that. She thought, he is a family man. They talked for a few minutes. David was very nervous. Victoria wrote her phone number on a plane ticket and gave it to him. David went home and copied the number onto 6 different pieces of paper because he was afraid of losing it. He still has that plane ticket today. The royal wedding of pop and sport. Their relationship started in secret. They met in car parks and quiet restaurants because they didn't want the cameras to find them. But soon, the world found out. The media called them Posh and Becks. In 1999, they got married in a castle in Ireland. It was a huge event. They sat on golden chairs and wore expensive clothes. Some people laughed and said, "This marriage will not last. They are too famous and too young." But David and Victoria didn't listen. They were in love, and they were ready to build a life together. By the time they got married, they already had their first son, Brooklyn. For them, family was always more important than the red carpet or the gold medals. Facing the storms. Life was not always easy for the Beckhams. In 1998, David had a very difficult moment during the World Cup. He made a mistake in a game against Argentina and received a red card. England lost the match, and many fans blamed David. People were very angry. They sent him terrible messages and shouted at him in the streets. It was the hardest time of his life. But Victoria was there. She supported him every day. She told him, "You are the best player, and we are a team." Because of her love, David stayed strong. He returned to the field and became the captain of England. Later, in 2003, the family moved to Spain because David started playing for Real Madrid. This was another difficult time. There were many rumors and scandals in the newspapers. The media said their marriage was over. Victoria was alone in a new country with small children, and David was under a lot of pressure. However, instead of breaking up, they became closer. Victoria moved to Madrid to be with her husband. They decided to ignore the gossips and focus on their children. They showed that a union is about fighting for each other when things are bad. A new life in America and fashion. In 2007, the Beckhams moved again, this time to Los Angeles. David wanted to change football in America, and Victoria wanted to start a new career. Many people thought Victoria was just a singer, but she had a secret passion: fashion. Victoria worked very hard. She started her own fashion brand. At first, the fashion world didn't take her seriously, but she didn't give up. Today, she is a very successful and respected designer. David was always in the front row of her fashion shows, smiling and taking photos. He was her biggest fan, just as she was her biggest fan on the football pitch. The secret to their success. Today, David and Victoria Beckham have been together for more than 25 years. They have 4 children: Brooklyn, Romeo, Cruz, and Harper. In a world where celebrity marriages often end quickly, the Beckhams are different. What is their secret? In interviews, David says it is about hard work. He said, "Marriage is always about hard work. We know each other better than anybody else." They also have a great sense of humor. If you follow them on social media, you can see them laughing at each other and dancing in their kitchen. They are not just husband and wife, they are best friends. They have survived scandals, many moves to different countries, and the pressure of being famous. Conclusion: more than fame. The story of David and Victoria Beckham is not just about money, beautiful cars, or fashion. It is a story of loyalty. It teaches us that even if the whole world is talking about you, the most important thing is the person standing next to you. They started as a shy football player and a pop star. They became a global empire. But at the end of the day, they are just David and Victoria, two people who chose to stay together no matter what. Thank you for joining QuickTale English. Subscribe for more stories about famous lives and continue practicing your A2 B1 English. See you next time.